In this video, we're going to learn how to change the page numbers from within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. All right, the first thing that we want to do is open up the Organize Pages button, and that is in my Tools panel. And then let's say I wanted to rename this first section before the book really begins. We're gonna do Roman numerals. So I'm gonna select all of those pages via the thumbnail panel, and we're gonna select page labels. And I have pages selected 1 to 20, and we want begin new section. And we can do I, the lowercase i's, we can do ABC. We're gonna do some Roman numerals, and we're gonna start it at 1, and then we're gonna select OK. And that changes the built-in page number in Adobe Acrobat. So it goes up to XX here for 20, and then it begins on page 1. That concludes today's video on how to add custom page numbers to your pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.